Hello,
Hello.
hello,
Hello, Jimin. This is teacher Anna from Listen and Speak. How are you?
I'm happy.
That is so nice to hear. Are you ready for our English class, Jimin?
Yes.
Okay, so I want you to look and listen carefully, okay? I'll be sharing your book because tonight we will read an interesting story about tornado in a jar. So, last
Tomato in the jar.
yes, last time we learned new words and we'll continue reading some so we can understand the story easily. So here we have the first word. We're done with this. We have, what's this?
Mm, Determined
It's experiment.
experiment
Very good. So what is experiment?
on activity to help you get info, inform, important
Information.
information.
Very good. One more time. Let's try it. In,
Mm,
infor.
Information.
Very good. So we do a lot of experiments at school, especially in our science class. How about here? What is this?
Clear.
Clear. Clear means you can see through it. Okay, it's very clear, like the water in the pool. The water in the pool is clear, or the water in the beach is clear. So you can see through it. It's clear. Okay, what is clear, Jimin?
Mhm.
Easy,
Mm, Easy to see through.
easy to see through. Very good. How about here? What is this?
Moon,
Bo
bottom,
bottom.
bottom,
Very
bottom.
good. Bottom. So when we say bottom, it's the lowest part. Can you read? Can you
Uh,
read, Jimin?
the lowest part, part of something.
The lowest part of something. Yes, that is correct. Now, when we say bottom, it's the lowest part. Like, look, this is my, can you see my mug? This is my mug, and this is the bottom of my mug. Look, Jimin, this is the bottom of my mug. Bottom. So bottom is the lowest part of anything. Okay? Okay, how about here? What is this?
Uh, Spin.
Spin. Spin is to turn around and around. Let's read this. What is a spin?
Mm, to turn around and around.
Very good. To turn around and around. That is what we call spin. Like this top, it's spinning. Spin. It spins around and around and around and around and around and around. And like this one, like the tornado in the picture. Okay, like this one, the tornado. It spins very fast and very strong. That's why tornadoes are scary. So let's have this one. We still have two more words here. Let's read what is this, Jimin?
Can turn.
Center. So what is center? What is
Uh,
center?
the middle part of something.
Okay, the middle part of something. So that's what you call center. Okay, so let's have this one. This is the center of the storm. Okay, you call that center. How about let's draw a flower here. Uh-huh. For example, this is a flower. Ooh, I'll draw a flower here. And okay, so we will color the center green. This is the center. Center. The center of the flower is green. Can you say that? The center of the flower is green.
Center of the flower is green.
Yes, like this in the picture. The center of the flower is green, like this one. So let's have the next word. What is this?
For force,
Okay, this is force. Let's read.
the amount of power with which something moves.
The amount of power which or with which something moves. So this is what we call force. Like how strong. Okay, how strong can you be? Like this man, he uses force to push this rock. Force. Like teacher Anna, I use my force to lift my bottle. You call that force too. So we're done with these words, Jimin. I just want you to read these words one more time, okay? Okay, let's read these words. What is this?
Experiment,
This one?
clear,
This one?
bottom,
Bottom. How about here?
spin,
Pen. And we still have two down here. What's this?
center,
Center. Can I say se, not ke? It's se.
center,
Center. How about here?
uh,
Fo, fo, force.
force,
Again, force.
force,
Force.
force,
Very good. One more time.
force.
Very good, Jimin. Now, we are ready to answer an activity about our words, okay, about the words that we learned for tonight. Now, I want you to look here, Jimin. Please help teacher Anna, okay? We will look for three misspelled words, and then we will write the correct spelling here on the right side. Now, let's read the first word. What is this?
Clear,
Is this correct?
yes,
Yes. How about this one? Is
force,
this correct?
yes,
Yes. How about this one? What is this?
spin,
Is this correct?
yes,
How about this one?
experiment,
Is this correct?
no,
No. So we will write it here. Let's spell experiment. E
E,
E X
X,
P
P,
E
E, R, IMENT,
experiment. How about this one? Number two.
bottom,
Okay, is that correct?
no,
No. Let's spell bottom. B.
BOOTM,
It's T T
no,
M. Okay, let's spell bottom. B O.
TTOM,
Very good. How about number three? We have the word. What's this?
Mm, eh,
It's
no,
center.
center.
It should be center. So what's the
No,
spelling? C E
E
N
N T E R.
center. Now we need to read this words one more time, okay? What's this?
Experiment.
This one?
But bottom.
Bottom. And this one?
Uh, Center.
Center. Very good. Now let's go here. How about here? Let's choose the correct words, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so you need to read these sentences and then tell me which one is the correct word, okay? Okay, number one. Can you read this, Jimin?
It means to turn around and around spin.
Very good. That's a spin. How about number two?
It means to lost part of something
Mm,
bottom.
it's a bottom, not very fast, okay? You just read it slowly, like bottom.
Bottom.
Very good. How about number three?
Mm, It means the um
The
um
amount?
amount of power with which something moves.
What's that? It
Mm,
means the amount of power with which
For
something moves. Force.
force.
Very good, Jimin. Again, let's read these words together, okay? What's this?
Spin. Bottom.
Bo.
Bottom.
Bottom. Very good. How about this one? Oh, sorry, this one.
Force.
Force. There you go. You got it all correct, Jimin. Very good. Now, we still have some sentences to complete down here. I need Jimin's help. So you will choose your answers from the words here. So let's read the first sentence. He found, he found
We found some coins
at the
at the bottom bed, bottom of
bottom. Very good. Bottom of the bag. How about number two? Number two, please.
the children or ground top.
No, it's spinning. Like spin. Spinning. Spin. Okay. So let's say spinning. Okay, now I want you to read your answers. Let's start with number one.
He,
He found
he found some coin at the bottom of the bag.
he found some coins at the bottom of the bag. How about number two?
The children spinning a top.
The children are spinning a top. Very good. See, you got it. That's an amazing job. Jimin, now we're ready to try this one, okay? We will read the story together and then answer activities about it. So let's have this one. Let's talk about our new story, Tornado in a Jar. Hello?
Hello? Yes.
Jimin, we will read a story about this one, okay? How do we make tornado in a jar? So let's read. Tornado.
I go in a jar.
Okay, let's read. Oh,
A tornado is a strong and dangerous,
dangerous.
dangerous wind.
It
It
forms.
forms un- under the storm,
Wow.
storm clouds and comes down to the ground. Why do tornadoes from? Let's go
Let's do.
on experiment.
Let's do.
Let's do and on experiment to learn, learn,
Learn.
learn about it.
Very
First,
good. Oh, let's stop here, okay? Okay, so we will talk about tornado. Okay, so what is a tornado, Jimin? What is a tornado? Jimin, what is a tornado?
tornado is a strong and then dangerous with
Wind. Okay. Tornado is a strong and dangerous. Okay, can you say dangerous?
danger.
Okay, so when we say dangerous, it can hurt someone who goes near it. Okay? It's very strong and it can ruin houses. Okay? It can take anything that's on its way. Okay? So don't go near it because a tornado is very strong and very dangerous. So, it forms under storm clouds. Okay? And then it comes to the ground like this one. It forms from the sky and then it goes down like this one. It formed in the sky and then it goes down here. So that's how they work. Okay, so let's do an experiment. So first, what do we get, Jimin?
Well, first, get a clear jar. Fill it with water. It should be more than half full. Next, add a few drops of dish soap.
So
So put
put
the jar's cap on, then turn the jar use,
upside
upside down. Hold
down,
the
hold the bottom
bottom and spin it in a
circle. Now
now top
and
and look at the water. Can you see a mini tomorrow
tornado. Tornado.
tornado?
Again, can you see? Can you see a mini tornado?
Can you see a mini tornado?
Very good. Step this one. This is how you make a tornado in a jar. So, what do we get? What do we need, Jimin? We need to get. What do we need? Jimin, what do we need for the experiment? We need,
clear
they say we
jar,
need a clear jar.
clear jar.
We need a clear jar.
We need a clear jar.
And then what will you do with the jar? So this is a jar, okay? This one, a jar. Can you see this is a jar? So what do we need to put inside the jar? Jimin, what do we need to put inside the jar? Well,
Water,
yes, we need to fill it. Fill it with what?
uh, fill it with water.
We need to fill it with water. And then after that, we need to add this. Okay, we need to add a dish soap. Okay, so what's next? Add.
Add a few drop of dish soap.
Okay, so you will put few drops of this and then it will turn to this one. It will be a blue water when you put the dish soap. And then what do we need to do? We need to Jimin.
On the jar, you upside down
How
hold
do you do
the
that? Like this one. Look, this is for example, this is
upside.
the jar. You need to turn it upside down. Like this one. Look at teacher Anna. Up, down, up, down, up, down. That's how you turn it upside down. And then, what do you need to do? You need to hold the, you need to
For
hold
the
the,
bottom and spin it in a circle.
like this one. Look at teacher Anna. After doing this upside down, you need to hold it in the bottom of the jar. The bottom, this one. You can see the bottom. Oh no. The bottom of the jar. So you need to hold it like this and then spin it in circle. Okay? That's how you make a tornado. You need to spin it in circle and then you will see that you have a mini tornado inside. Okay? So let's see. Is spinning the jar. Let's read Jimin. Is spinning the jar.
Spinning,
Let's read. Is spinning
uh, spinning the jar makes an angry
energy. This
manner. This
energy
energy
pulls
pulls water toward
the
the center of the jar
and
and and
the
the force
made made the
made a
tornado
the tornado.
Very good. Tornadoes.
Tornadoes center can be
Okay.
can be dangerous,
Dangerous, but
but who
new.
knew you could make one in a jar?
Okay. So that's how you make a jar or make a tornado in a jar, okay? When you spin the jar, when you spin it, it makes the energy and it pulls the water to the center here, to the center of the jar. When you spin it, it pulls the energy into the center of the jar. That's why you have a tornado, mini tornado inside it. Okay, so we're done with our story for tonight. We will read that again next meeting. But before that, I want to ask you about the main idea of the story. Jimin? Okay. What what is the main idea of the story, Jimin? Is it A or B? Hello? Jimin? Hello?
Yes,
Okay, so we need to answer this about the main idea of the story. I want you to read letter A and letter B. Let's read.
uh, make a mini tornado to find out how they from.
Form.
Oh,
How about here? Can you help me read? Hello?
right. A tornado comes down to the ground.
Okay. Okay, see what's your answer. What is the story about? A or B?
A
Letter A. Can you read your answer? Let's read, Jimin.
make a mini tornado to find out how they from.
How they form. Very good. That's amazing. Thank you very much. Jimin, we're
Yes.
done for tonight. That's it for tonight. So we will continue with our next activity, next meeting. Thank you very much, Jimin. I hope you learned something from Teacher Anna. Goodbye.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.